Types of fitness. Looking at the building blocks of a well-rounded routine, there is no universal approach to fitness. If you want to live a healthy, balanced life, you should know about the different types of exercise and how they enhance your health. Here is a list of the main types. 1. Aerobic exercise. This type focuses on improving cardiovascular endurance and includes activities like running, swimming, and cycling. It raises your heart rate and helps with weight management. 2. Strength training, also known as resistance training. This involves exercises that build muscle strength through weights or resistance bands. It not only tones your body but also boosts metabolism. 3. Flexibility exercises. These exercises, such as yoga or stretching routines, enhance the range of motion in your joints and improve overall mobility, which is crucial for injury prevention. 4. Balance training, important, especially as we age. Balance training includes activities like Tai Chi or certain yoga poses. It helps maintain stability and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. By incorporating a variety of these exercise types into your routine, you can create a well-rounded fitness plan that supports overall health and wellness. 1. Fitness for your heart. Making your heart, lungs, and circulatory system function better is the main goal of this type of fitness, also known as aerobic fitness. Some activities are walking, running, swimming, and cycling. These exercises increase your heart rate and improve blood flow, which can lead to enhanced endurance and better overall cardiovascular health. Consistent aerobic activity not only strengthens the heart but also boosts mood and reduces stress levels. Cycling, running, swimming, dancing, and getting a jump. Cardio exercises make you stronger, give you more energy, and lower your risk of getting chronic diseases. Chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease can often be prevented or managed through regular participation in aerobic activities. By incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine, you can keep your workouts engaging and enjoyable, leading to long-term adherence and improved health outcomes. 2. Building strength. This type uses resistance exercises to develop muscle power and endurance. Some examples are lifting weights, workouts with your own body, push-ups, squats, bands of resistance, and training for functions. Strength training speeds up your metabolism, protects your bones, and makes it easier to do everyday things. Additionally, strength training can enhance your overall athletic performance and reduce the risk of injury. By gradually increasing the intensity and variety of your workouts, you can continue to challenge your muscles and achieve your fitness goals. 3. Training for flexibility. The goal of flexibility exercise is to make your muscles and joints more flexible. Some activities include Pilates and yoga, stretching while in motion, and stretching while still. Increasing your flexibility can reduce your risk of injury, alleviate muscle strain, and enhance your posture. Additionally, incorporating flexibility training into your routine can improve your overall range of motion, allowing for better performance in various physical activities. While becoming more flexible, you may gain strength, balance, and coordination. 4. Stability and weight balance. Fitness, which is simple to forget, makes it easier to control your body's position. This is crucial for older people and athletes. The exercises are Tai Chi single leg movements, balance bars, and workouts that work your core. Better balance makes it easier to coordinate your movements, lowers your risk of falling, and builds core strength. Core strength is essential not only for overall stability but also for improving performance in various physical activities. As you engage in these balance exercises, you'll likely find that your agility and reaction times also enhance, contributing to a more active and confident lifestyle. 5. Fitness for function. This is all about getting your body ready for real life. Functional exercises are like the moves you make every day and help you get things done faster. For example, farmers carry with kettlebell swings. Squat to press. Functional exercise makes you stronger, more stable, and more mobile so you can do useful things. By incorporating these functional exercises into your routine, you'll not only improve your physical capabilities but also reduce the risk of injury during daily activities. As you build strength and stability, everyday tasks will feel easier, allowing you to enjoy a more vibrant and independent life. 6. Interval training with a lot of intensity. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with times of rest or low-intensity recovery. Very quickly, it burns a lot of calories, makes your heart and lungs stronger, and increases your endurance. This method of training is not only efficient for weight loss but also enhances overall fitness levels. By incorporating HIIT into your routine, you can maximize your workout results in a shorter amount of time, making it an ideal choice for those with busy schedules. 7. Fitness in leisure time. Working out doesn't always have to feel like a workout. Outdoor activities like hiking, rock climbing, surfing, or team sports can also help you get in shape and make your schedule more fun. Engaging in these activities not only promotes physical health but also fosters social connections and enhances mental well-being. Finding joy in movement can transform your approach to fitness, making it a more enjoyable and sustainable part of your lifestyle. Using a variety of these types of exercise will help you improve your health in many ways and make your body stronger and more adaptable. Make your workouts fit your interests, goals,